Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the one, the only, the one that you lose is the most right here on YouTube. Teddy the bullshit talking teddy bear right here on King Live 2025. Hey. I like, yeah. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Yeah, this is starting to get packed now. Starting to get packed. They're starting to get that down there now. Huh? Now they're starting to go down that way. Oh yeah, look way over there. Oh yeah.
Yes, I hear you. I hear you.
Makes you think this is what they smelled like in the Civil War, and I mean the Revolution War. Hey, 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 like there's the sky. Oh, thank you, Ruth. Thank you for being my friend. Thank you for giving a damn.
Oh, Debbie do time!
Oh, no, we can't do Debbie Does right now. I'm recording. I can't.
Debbie do!
Yeah, I got to catch Ruth when I get back home. Hey, you know what I'm thinking about doing? Pool time with Teddy midnight tonight. Get fucked up with liquor and Debbie Does. Freeze my nuts off again. Thank you for being my friend.
Is it actually?
What's up? Get a little bit of light on. Get a little bit of light on. So I can see your comments. What's up, Paul? What's up, Chirpin? What's up, Sissy? Oh shit, we got some more going on. We got some more going on. We got this spinner. Boo, 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 the spinner. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that like button. We can almost to 100. I know we can do it. We can do it together. Don't forget to hit that like button. Double tap, double tap, double tap.
I got 4 days.
Hey, it's goddamn.
It's Teddy. It's Teddy.
Teddy.
It's Teddy.
Teddy. You're making more.
Oh my gosh, happy anniversary.
Thank you. You look fantastic.
Right, I know, right? You know, you do okay?
Yeah.
Happy anniversary. You want to say hi? Say hi to everybody. Hi, it's Aunt Dawn.
Happy 4th.
Happy 4th. We love you. I'm so happy to see you. Happy anniversary, by the way.
This guy looks fantastic.
Oh, I know, right? A couple more years, I'll look really good. Happy 4th.
Might not be no second anniversary.
Oh, I know. I'm so sorry to do that, too. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm doing good.
You're doing okay. Yeah.
Yeah, you look fantastic.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm so glad you're doing good.
Thank you. Thank you. Happy